fact, my partner's over there, got him a cup of coffee. First thing I notice is pretty awesome Toyota with a rooftop. I like that. Man, oh man. Morning, brother.
Morning.
You like that Toyota?
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
That's pretty sweet.
So they got some coffee, I see. Good.
Yeah.
I need some go-go juice.
It's a little bit better than what's in the room.
A little bit better than what's in the room, huh?
Room rated up 0.
I didn't try the one in the room.
Yeah.
It's a little sketchy,
A little sip, had to pour it out.
oh, nice.
Got a little Folgers down here in the cafeteria. Give it about a 4.
Give it a 4.
Yeah.
There it is. Let's.
I like my coffee strong and black. It's not strong enough for me.
Not strong enough. You're a strong man, so yeah. It's gonna be a good day.
Yep, it is.
Nice start, anyways. No rain.
Real nice.
All right. Time to go get Miss Dee Dee up. Can't sleep all day.
Yeah. You should have been up before us. Had the bikes loaded.
Yes,
Our bagels buttered. She's slacking.
she really is. A little disappointed.
I don't think she's gonna make it up in rank.
I don't either, man. The waffle machine worked. Pretty good waffle.
Yeah, and Jim bro here, he didn't even screw it up this
I
time.
didn't screw that up, but
We're not gonna talk about the other mishaps though.
so it's always when the camera's not running. Nothing like flipping a table over in the morning. Got me a little extra shower today with some juice.
Yeah, but he saved the camera.
Saved the camera, saved the coffee, so it's a great day.
Oh, we got a text that shape.
Yeah, works good. And we have made it to Memphis.
Yes, we have.
Elvis, Graceland. I don't see it. Memphis, Texas. Oh crap!
Wrong Memphis.
What's Memphis, Texas known for?
Tell me. I know you know.
Come on, man, it's a biggie.
It's a biggie.
Yeah, drugs probably. Because there ain't much else around
You
here.
need to get the hell out of here.
Yeah. We're in Amarillo, Big Texas.
The big Texas.
They're gonna cook that one up for us.
Great ride. 69 degrees.
69 degrees, August 2nd. Man, can't beat that. So Big Texan, yeah, everybody's seen that. As many times as I pass through here, I've never stopped in here. So we want to check it out. A little early for a steak, but we're gonna check things out. You know, tourist trap place, but it's pretty cool. So.
Gotta stop once.
Gotta stop once, yeah. So let's go. Got Miss Dee Dee clowning over here. We could have put Scout in that picture, but Miss Dee Dee sent Scout to the pound.
I did what?
Yep, that's where Scout went.
Yep.
To the pound.
Don't listen to him.
Scout's actually wanted to stay at home. She's at home editing videos for us, so she didn't want to ride on the motorcycle. All right. Oh, souvenir stuff. Restaurant, fudge, ice cream.
What are you waiting for? Come on over. For a small fee, Zoltar will give you a wealth of wisdom.
Got a little shooting gallery for the kiddos. Meat smells pretty good. Ribs, brisket, sausage. We'll saddle up. This baby gonna fall off. Look out for that skunk. Oh, that's pretty cool. They all change.
Whoa.
That is wild.
Oh, wild man, I know that brings back memories. Right there.
Oh yeah,
Remember when you were sitting in that same chair?
I do.
Good old memories.
Roll.
That's everything you gotta eat
Look at
to get it for free. Yeah, look at that steak. Shrimp, baked potatoes, salad, bread, and a steak that's gigantic. Alright, buy some horns.
Yeah. We good.
Man, that looked nice. Yep. Dee Dee, fix to get mauled by a bear. We're somewhere in Raton, New Mexico. Is that where we're at? We're gonna eat at restaurant, because that's what it's called. Restaurant gift shop. Why not? This sounds like a good stop. Is it gonna dump rain? I don't know. All Seasons Restaurant's actually what it's called. Okay. Guess we'll find out if all of our stuff gets all wet. Does it, don't it, don't. Brother, we got a problem. They don't allow bikers in this restaurant. Straight up. Straight up.
No, you say that.
She said they don't even have a restaurant.
I thought I was gonna have to go back in there.
I'm thinking Arby's. Let's just go to Arby's. The hell with it.
Yeah, like I say, it was 10 years ago.
Thunder rolling. We'll try this again. We're gonna do some Arby's. That's an ugly cloud.
Yes, sir.
But if we can eat and then leave, we're going that way. We'll see. We'll see. taking him a selfie. Because we have made it in to Colorado. Right off Interstate 25 at the little scenic pool around.
Come on, photo bomber. Good God. Was that cold? I said 100 had a picture.
Yeah, got our first problem. I don't have a clutch. Zero pressure. I just checked the fluid. It's full. But there's no pressure. I lost it about 40 miles back in the mountains. And so I've been just jamming the gears until I had to come to a complete stop and then drop it in neutral and shut it down. So we got to do some troubleshooting. I was able to limp it down to the Best Western, which we already had booked, in Alamosa. The problem is it just doesn't have any pressure. It's got a little bit right now, so I really do believe it's a heat-related problem, which I've seen seems to be common with these Harley wet clutches. Get up in the morning, it'll probably have a full clutch and feel normal until it heats up again. So going up the mountains was pretty good strain on the bikes and heated it up a lot, and it's upper 80s, maybe it was low 90s when we were going through it. So yeah, it has a problem. So it's supposed to be in the 40s in the morning when we leave. So if I come out and that thing's got a full clutch, I'm probably just gonna send it, just go. We'll see where we make it. I can't be any much further away from a Harley dealer than I am right now.
Yeah.
We're 120 from the miles.
125 miles.
It's Saturday night. Nothing's open Sunday, so staying here really isn't advantageous at all. I think we just keep going north. I'm no quitter, So we're gonna keep heading.
We'll figure it out.
If this thing has pressure when we leave tomorrow, we're going. Since it's cooled down this afternoon, sitting on the side of the road, it started to get a tiny amount of pressure. So about right there, it's starting to get just a little bit. That's enough to take off, but if you're going through traffic, you're going through red lights, it won't work. It will not work. But we'll see. I think we just play this thing by ear right now because I don't have any better plan. I could go to U-Haul and rent a truck and figure out how to do all that, but I don't know. Sometimes, I guess just being on the side of the road sounds like more of an adventure. So.
All fails, we got the rope.
We do. It does have the yellow rope. So, I really need a cold snack right now. A little aggravated, but hey, it's just part of it. So, no use in getting upset about something when you can have a cold snack and forget about it. So, let's get a cold snack.
Let's do it.
Again, nothing's easy, but look here. Look down in there. Right there is the bleeder screw that I'm trying to get to. Because sometimes when you service your clutch, it gets air bubbles in it. And I think maybe the altitude may have brought an air bubble to surface. I don't know. Because we can't get this off. Most likely without removing exhaust, which that ain't happening.